Jerry Sandusky should have never given an interview.
Criminal defense attorney Alison Triessl watching the exclusive with the Insider today.
The interview concerned me because there were so many pauses. He took time to formulate his answers. He repeated the questions.
Am I sexually attracted to underage boys? Sexually attracted?
Which, as most polygraph examiners will tell you, is a red flag that the person is being deceitful.
Carla and Gianni are here with their attorney, Alison Triessl. Alison, what is the status of the case right now?
He was arrested November 16th. He was taken into United States federal custody, and he will await extradition. He is fighting extradition, but there was a bail hearing. He was denied bail, so he remains in custody for the extradition procedure. Mexico has asked that he be tried in Mexico. Conrad Murray can actually profit from his crime.
While it's not known how much Murray will make from the documentary, KTLA legal analyst Alison Triessl says it's perfectly legal.
There used to be a Son of Sam law which prohibited any type of felon from profiteering from their crime. However, that law was made unconstitutional in 2002.
But she suspects Murray will never see one dime.
Any money that he makes, they may be able to come and take as part of their wrongful death suit. So in the end, the Jacksons and their heirs and the children may actually benefit financially from it.
The photo, which we have chosen not to air for sensitivity reasons, did not run on CBS's The Early Show or Good Morning America.
The reason certain outlets decided not to air it was because it was shot from overhead. It shows a dead, emaciated Michael Jackson with tape covering his mouth, with a tag on his toe, and it really is a death photo.
It's going to reinforce that notion that she's different and special. And of course, that's exactly what happened to Alison Triessl, because she later had a slip.
Well, Jane, let me talk about that. Most rehabs, and certainly mine, Pasadena Recovery Centers, nothing like that. There's no cell phones. You don't leave to go on photo shoots. You're not given special permission. You've got to go to every group. You've got to go to individual counseling, and you've got to take it seriously. So a treatment center that really purports to help people, make sure that that environment is where they stay and all they focus on for the length of their stay. It's got to be an intense program where they're dealing with their issues and they're not making phone calls to friends and drug dealers to come and bring them drugs. It's got to be a very serious, controlled setting.
Alison, your thoughts on this?
Yeah, Manny, I strongly believe that the reason that this sentencing is going to happen so quickly is because they knew that he was going to be taken in if there was a guilty, and so they wanted to make it happen and be sentenced as soon as possible because, Manny, as you know, with this new penal code section where people who go to prison do their time in county jail, they're not doing much time. So this was, I think, Judge Pastor's way to ensure that Conrad Murray would be in jail, but they had to shorten that sentencing because they want to get him out of jail as quickly as possible.
In the end, Michael was found innocent. Could Sandusky have a similar fate?
In my estimation, this case is a much stronger case than the case that was lodged against Michael Jackson. There are adult eyewitnesses in this case.